But look, we got to go
This
way.
is the Crystal Lake outlet, near the Crystal Lake outlet dam.
Isn't that right at the end of Molyneux?
Yeah, but Molyneux starts around this bend, right?
Yeah, I'm just confused. I didn't realize that this little inlet was on there partying. So look at this, guys. I'm now. Look, here's the light water line, and look how far that is. Oh yeah, these people are partying.
Okinawa Beach, remember that? With Japan?
Exactly. We've been voting for a while.
I think so. Maybe okay, fine. Where are you going?
Oh, what do I smell? Cigar?
Uh-huh.
So I didn't realize this is Okinawa Beach though.
I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's Onkaeon.
My knee hit it.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is a great one.
Yeah, this is.
I haven't seen a house here for sale. Don't sell it either.
I don't know that we've ever
That's really
been.
nice fish crackers. Those are cheaper. Here. Yes, I think Molyneux starts at the deepest point.
Oh, but so I think Molyneux's all along here.
No, this is Shorewood still. Molyneux starts at the deepest point.
To get to see the houses on Molyneux, Emma, do we have to go around that point?
These are the houses on Molyneux.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But they go all the way around. Hold on, wait.
I know where we're at because that point out there with no houses, that's the little.
So this is what you see here is Boyd. Molyneux is behind there, and then Boyd goes like this. Molyneux gets closer to the water over there. Here, Molyneux is further.
I think Molyneux's right in front of us.
But if you don't have houses on the water, look, there's Molyneux, there's Boyd. Boyd is the one that's touching the water here. Molyneux.
Yeah. Because babe, I think the. So I think I gotta go really fast to get the boat up on the water, and then I can slow down.
Okay.
So, but you gotta be up front. Alex,
They're good, they're good. Are you supposed to lower something lower?
I already did. Molly, you want a tube? I mean, it's not.
Yeah, it's really deep here. Close to the shore.
It doesn't come out very far. Yeah, yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, I think we have. I think we've seen that house before. Look at that. You got to trim that giant tree up so you can see the water, man. Yeah. Well, I didn't realize the hotel was this far down.
Yeah. I think it's like one of the last properties before the bank.
Oh. Oh, look at that. Look at the White House with black trim of it.
That's
Hiya.
Should I call her in?
I'm just going to see if she's okay.
That's
Hiya.
my friend tonight. She's the son of a billboard.
Cammy, you want a visor? Oh, look at these houses. These are so nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I also like how they. Oh, God, I'm too close to these buoys. Jesus. All right, I'm in neutral. Cammy, just don't get into the prop, but I think it should be stopped.
Okay.
Just gotta kind of do it quick. I'm drifting.
You gotta hang on to that key.
Yeah. Still touching, eh?
It's looking really hard.
Yeah. All right, I gotta. Oh shoot! Cammy, you gotta get on quick.
She's on.
She's on?
Yeah.
You on, Cammy?
Yeah. Watch your fingers, Mai.
How did it see?
How did it see? See little numbers at the bottom that are
Yeah,
incrementing,
it's
so
it's
it's
recording.
on now. Hello, Cammy.
Hi.
You could have stepped the boat.
I can swim underneath it with the. Oh, I see on the other side with my toes. No, you do not. I do. Well, like this thing. You would know what I'm talking about if you know boats.